Hey Styles, I'm back with a new video, and today's video is a makeup look for Carnival. If you're from London, you will know Notting Hill Carnival is right around the corner. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. So here I'm just taking my Fit Me foundation in the shade 095 as a base for my eyeshadow. Bear with me, I know you can't really see what I'm doing in this clip, but it will improve, just bear with me. And then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just blend out all of the foundation that I applied to my eyelids. Majority of the colours I'll be using in today's look are from one palette by Sleek. First of all, I'm going to jump right in and take the lightest green shade that there is in the palette and apply this to my crease. In order for me to gain some definition and depth in my crease, I'm going to apply the darker green that's in the palette, and later on I will be adding a touch of black just to smoke it out and create more depth and shadowing. Taking this fluffy angled brush, I'm going to apply a tiny amount of yellow eyeshadow and blend out the harsh lines. Fluffy brush that I used to apply the green shades, I'm just going to blend out all of the shades together just to make them look more seamless. Taking this small angled brush, I'm going to cut my crease using the foundation that I used as a base on my eyelids. I'm going to leave this clip in real time so you can see how long it actually takes me to cut my crease. crease is still quite tacky, I'm going to go back into the yellow eyeshadow and pack this onto the crease area using a flat brush. The rest of the steps are pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And that is a wrap, styles. We did it. We made it to the end. All I did was apply my false eyelashes and finish the rest of my face off camera. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Your makeup artist can never